Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use AirPods with Zoom meetings. This is incredibly useful if you want crystal clear audio quality during your calls without being tethered to your desk by wires. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to click the Windows button, also known as the Start button, located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens up your main menu where you can access all your system settings and applications. Although I don't have AirPods with me right now, I'll show you exactly what the next steps look like so you can follow along easily. Once you're in the Start menu, click on Settings. In the search field that appears, type Bluetooth and other devices settings and press Enter. This will bring up the specific settings page you need to manage all your Bluetooth connections. It's important to access this particular section because it gives you direct control over pairing new devices to your computer. Next, click on Bluetooth and other devices settings from the search results. This opens the full settings page where you can see all currently connected devices and add new ones. Here, you'll find the option to connect your AirPods to your Windows computer. Now, click on the plus sign that says Add Bluetooth or Other Device. A new window will pop up with several options. From these options, click on Bluetooth. This tells your computer to start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices that are ready to pair. At this point, make sure your AirPods are in pairing mode by opening the case and holding the button on the back until the light starts flashing white. Once they appear in the list, click on them to connect. Your computer will take a moment to establish the connection, so be patient while it completes the pairing process. With your AirPods successfully connected to your computer, it's time to configure them in Zoom. Go ahead and open your Zoom app. Once the app is open, look to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see your profile avatar, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This takes you to the comprehensive settings panel where you can customize every aspect of your Zoom experience. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Audio section. This is where all your microphone and speaker configurations live. Under the Speaker section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select your AirPods from the list of available audio devices. Once you've selected them, you can simply close the settings window. Zoom automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to click any Save button, and that's it. Your AirPods are now configured to work with your Zoom meetings, giving you wireless freedom and excellent audio quality during all your calls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.